Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your OPPO Reno 3, let's click on the calendar, click on this arrow 2 times, then move to the button of the got it, and right now we have to use the switcher. Tap on the event, enter the title of your event. Mine will be hard reset. Here you can set up other things like description, location. You can also add people and change the time, even the time zone. If you do, tap on the save, and here is our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.